Crafting with Ursa, Quick Craft Edition. Hello everyone! Let's have some fun today and make something real quick and easy. Let's make a rose. Roll out a raindrop with your thumb and index finger. With that raindrop, you can now sculpt a rosebud. I like to anchor my rosebud onto a clay tool. It holds the rose in place so I'm less likely to crush my petals. Now let's make some petals. Take a small piece of clay and flatten it in between your fingers. Then pinch the other side and squeeze it with your thumb and index finger to create a point. Then wrap your petal closely onto your rosebud. Now make your second petal. Take your next petal and overlap the previous one. Wrap and overlap. Wrap and overlap. And now we have a cute little baby bud. These outer petals need to be super thin. Let's use a medium ball stylus to flatten out those petals. Now all we have left to do is wrap more petals. making good roses is to randomly twist and warp your petals. Now let's do a super quick craft using the rose we just made. Are you hanging on to junky jewelry? Then I have just the project for you. Let's use a little bit of clay adhesive and an old ring. Smooth that clay onto that ring. And just like that, you have a new custom piece of jewelry. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode of Crafting with Ursa.